नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज हम जुलाई महीने के सबसे महत्वपूर्ण करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। मैंने इस वीडियो में टाइमर नहीं लगाया है, इसलिए हर सवाल के बाद वीडियो को पॉज करें, पहले अपना जवाब सोचें और फिर सही उत्तर देखें। From the 1st of July 2026, which scheme replaced MGNREGA? विकसित भारत गारंटी फॉर रोजगार एंड आजीविका मिशन, ग्रामीण। Under Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission, Grameen, rural households are guaranteed how many days of employment? 125 days. The India-Israel Bilateral Investment Agreement came into force on 4 जुलाई 2026. India-Israel Bilateral Investment Agreement was originally signed in September 2025 in which city? New Delhi. Who was appointed Executive Director of the RBI with effect from the 1st of July 2026? Ravi Shankar. The 16th India-Japan Annual Summit was held in New Delhi. Which agreement came into effect between India and the UK on the 15th of July 2026? Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement. India-UK Comprehensive Economic Trade Agreement primarily aims to strengthen trade and investment. Which private Indian company is associated with the Vikram 1 rocket? Skyroot Aerospace. Vikram 1 is primarily associated with which sector? Space launch. Gagan is primarily related to satellite-based navigation for aviation. Gagan stands for GPS-aided geo-augmented navigation. Which initiative was highlighted by PIB in July 2026 for strengthening village entrepreneurship? Startup Village Entrepreneurship Program. Kargil Vijay Divas 2026 marked how many years since the Kargil War victory? 27 years. Kargil Vijay Divas commemorates India's victory in which operation? Operation Vijay. Which ministry is responsible for releasing the Index of Industrial Production, IIP? Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. India's Index of Industrial Production Growth in June 2026 was reported at 7.3%. The June 2026 IIP growth of 7.3% was the highest in approximately 23 months. For July-September 2026, the government kept small savings interest rates unchanged. What was the Public Provident Fund interest rate for July to September 2026? 7.1%. What was the National Savings Certificate interest rate for July-September 2026? 7.7%. Which two small savings schemes offered 8.2% interest during July-September 2026? Senior Citizen Savings Scheme and Sukanya Samriddhi. What was the Kisan Vikas Patra interest rate during July-September 2026? 7.5%. Which country became the subject of a major new UK leadership development in July 2026? United Kingdom. Who became Prime Minister of the United Kingdom on the 20th of July 2026? Andy Burnham.